creating secure concreting and working platforms. With LIWA scaffold brackets and handset guardrail posts, the guardrail posts are inserted into the brackets and then hooked into the cross profiles of the panels. Alternatively, assembly can also take place on the vertical extension struts or the cross profiles during pre-assembly on the ground. Thereby, the cotter pin is simply removed from the pin, followed by the removal of the pin itself. The bracket is then pushed over the profiles. The bolts are reinserted, which are secured again with the cotter pins. The planking as well as the guardrails are made of wood, with the latter being provided by the contractor. On the opposite side, the handrail post holder is mounted on the extension struts. The handset guardrail posts are then inserted, followed by the attachment of the handrail boards provided by the contractor.